So after the house is closed and the mortgage is on, what happens after that? How do you interact with the client after that?
And that's a great question. What I do with my clients is I provide ongoing service even after the house closes. So, I'm in this business obviously to build long-term relationships with my clients, and I like to contact my clients at least a couple of times a year just to see if circumstances have changed or if there's a way for them or for me to help them find a way to pay down their mortgage faster. Sometimes people switch jobs and they get increases in household income. And a lot of mortgages these days come with prepayment privileges where you can actually prepay 20% of the principal on an annual basis, or you can increase your monthly payments by up to 20%. And a lot of clients, even though I explain this to them when I go through the mortgage commitment, they forget that they can actually prepay their mortgage. So I like to be in constant communication with my clients at least a couple of times a year just to see if their circumstances have changed and I can help them pay their mortgage faster. The other thing is, being in communication with them prior to the expiry of the mortgage term. So if a client is in a 3 or a 5-year fixed mortgage, I make sure that I'm in touch with them at least 6 months prior to maturity so that we can look at the different options that they have on maturity. Okay, so that's important as well. So it's all about, working with the client, during the process and getting them their mortgage, but also being there for the client, throughout the entire term of the mortgage as well.